10 minutes pa. Pila ganito ang minutes anong kuan kato na exam is STA?
It's 30-12 tonight. I wanna show you all the fine things in life. So just forget about the world beyond tonight. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. Unsa man? Kuan. Mga 8 nag-start na human ug mga 10 2 hours man ata.
1 hour and 40 minutes. 50 minutes.
1 hour and 50 minutes?
Yeah.
Wala rin 2 hours.
1 hour and 50 minutes na ligo. Grabe.
No! But not again. Oh.
Okay, let's do this. What nonsense. Nagdagan akong cold shower. Sigh.
Not again.
Daghan man akong hot shower.
Deploy! No! Not again.
Hindi naman sa kayabang ako, pero maganda din po kasi ako. Hindi naman ako.
Okay. Normal na ko. Normal na ko. Ikaw daw ma. Ikaw.
Ano lang sa ato, boys?
Ikaw daw ma. Sa mukha gid aning kanta oy.
Next na mo.
Wala.
Cold shower.
Ana.
I hate kids.
Akong gi-search si Telvin so
What in the world of tornado am I in? Tornado attack.
kuya wa Telvin so.
Tingnan mo.
Exhausted?
Ako yung mga abs si Telvin. Ano mo?
So,
Other
wag
boys.
ka, ano?
Rangge niya.
You're over friendly.
Ako normal ra ko.
Sige lang katawa ako
Kung
na ano.
lagi ko na yung ay sa membership sa Yakap.
Oh, yakap na bitaw. Karon ba na, dito.
Ano lagi sila?
Oh,
Yakap
yakap nga sa PhilHealth.
Maugid na yun dito sa FCMC. Ito na.
NCMC.
Oh, ayun na pamimbro. Pero dahil kapuyan na ako.
Gigi, boom, boom, gigi, ka, boom, boom. Hitting the
Hindi
vortices.
ko na tanan. Magpa-check up ka. Tanan-tanan.
Gani sa PhilHealth, powered by PhilHealth na naman.
Gani.
Nabi ako sa sila alawan ka na.
Heavier vehicles, better.
Madawat nga.
20
mil.
For a year na.
Pero dili ko
Pero na siya sa, para na siya sa check-up, mga tambal.
Dili sigurado na cash.
Dili na cash ka ng
Kanang
murag pang check-up, pang tambal, anak.
kanang
GL, nagyapon na.
GL.
Pero okay na. At least
Ano
na.
lang.
Ang nindot ka na sa ano, sa ato pa na kay wag
Oh,
nakaanaw.
yakap for a year na siya. January na ako for a year.
Buwan siya baka lang.
Mao man na sa SPMC ang sigiguan ko.
Kung sumabol siya nga 20,000 ba sa imong check up.
Consumable. Wow, consumable.
Membro ka pero di ka membro, di lagi pwede. Nga, ko nga, nakakita mo kabandungog naman ko sa mga ano, pero wala may karon na dahil ginunta, no?
Asa ko na nag-resto?
Lalo di ay.
Na sila karon kaya sa Gin.
Yan silang ingin, mubalik pa karon kay na lunch break man.
Oh, nalimot na ko 22 day to.
Baka nindot ka na, ah.
Naay ka ng check up sa hearing.
O sino mata na iya.
Oh,
Nagka-BP siya, ang iya dito, BP ra o ganun, ang nadugayan nila kay kanang kuan gani sa mga high blood o diabetic kanang say kanang
fasting,
hindi ba ka na pang musik istorya sana mo yung una ba
consultation,
o kanang wala pa mo na
Orientation?
ay orientation.
o mo nadugayan ko nun nila niya pagkauman nag lunch break na and then hani ko na ato ni kuan din na nadugay kay sila istorya
Kay,
yung kana gaya atong kuan kanang itong trabaho ni Kokon Bakay magnegosyo daw sila hindi sila magnigamit kaya inigisto nila ko sa mga bata kung hindi na siya naway trabaho kung siya income
unsa man na trabaho iya?
Ngayon ko si GR na i-post niya magpalit sila diha ilang ibang diha
Ay, mag-retail sila o magkuan sila diha ka na.
sila mo palit sila sa GR
Ilang patasan lagi.
kaya na ba nagnegosyo
Wholesale sila, wholesale.
Ah, dili ka nang pamuging ana, yun ka nang
Lagi like sa presa mo kanang kuy mo ikog 5 kay na ako'y kuan ani.
post ko na niya
Kung 1.5 ang hatag ni Kokoy, mga 2,000, sakto ra kay na 2,000 yan, ay 500
sige
sila
ang
usap.
style, pre-order ba?
Oh,
Order na.
pre-order dapat naa ka sure gid buyer daan.
oo mas may gini na kaya nakatapon ko sa ko na
Abi na ko dili niya ibalhin niya ang mga anak na. Nga balik baptist. Aw, diha ra.
wala naman sa una naman gud na siya kana ang
Si
bisita
Gia.
sa una naman hindi na siya nabibigyan ng ano sa school na kasi bako pa
Bi, grabe ha mo.
alam mo hindi ko kabalo pero nakapokus ka mo
Humot kay na.
Isog kayo.
Uy, humot ra mo kay na tura mi lang
It did not deploy. I am deploying in the air.
Ano nga te?
Sinubungi sa real life. Grand hindi siya. Sinubungi.
Shake bom bom. Ay,
Skyplex. Taong ka ba? Amin na healing.
para cobra?
oo ka nahulot naman
Mas ganda.
hindi ka nakaroon ko ano sa mida ang nakapan magudanatan kanang nanatan kay dili magudang makaboard sa private no
Mura.
sa kuan naman gina gobyerno
Oo, kaka ni nga naman, pero mo lagi oi.
sus kung mo na anak mo isa na lang mga private ka Oh, di apil siguro tanong mga konsultasyon, di ba sa private gobyerno wa may bayad ng konsultasyon, daan?
Ambot pa rin yung style nila, pero ambot sa private o mo, cater ako.
Deploy.
Gani,
Pero hindi kung na sila muwa ka.
Tornado attack is the worst. What? I am not deployed. I am unemployed. Reft. Whoever lives there, natulog na ako. Natulog na ako akong laway.
Ito na rin.
Playing Just Tornadoes. Ako man yung post. Naman ko yung video kanya 15 niya akong gidelete pagka man ako post. Gusto ko. Oh.
Hindi mo si Kiat ha.
Wait lang. Deploy. 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 Yay.
Oo.
Ano ba ito?
Dito sila naman yung udto yun eh. Nakasagpalo sa inyo.
Ano siya na? Bili na.
Oo, manan. Kay Fer, palungan sa kay Fer.
Yan na lang. Deploy. My wheels are gone.
Saan mo kay with internet na? With online eh? With internet?
Yep. 260 error code. Bruh.
I wrote it in Pig Latin, explaining how I found his degree was actually
Eh, mabalik na lang sila.
Sana.
Oo, ganun na. Si Tony di, kaya wala daw siya sakit.
Bye.
Bye.
Too quickly. It means you hurt my daughter. That's ridiculous. I would never. Then why did she stop talking the day you left? Why did she break 4 years of silence to beg me not to let you come back? Why does she flinch when she hears your name? My husband was working between me and the denial fighting back. She was 6 when I left. Her imagination. She's not imagining anything. She's running. He's useless. We've been friends for 20 years. My husband didn't answer right away. He looked at the note, then at the stairs, then at Bernard's face. Something shifted behind his eyes. Why are you sweating? My husband asked quietly. Because your wife is making insane accusations. You're sweating and your hands are shaking and you haven't denied it specifically. Not once. Bernard stepped backward, toward the door. I think I should go. You're not going anywhere. I called the police while my husband stood between Bernard and the door. Bernard tried to leave twice. My husband didn't move, didn't touch him. Just stood there. 6'1", arms at his sides, eyes locked. Move. No. The police arrived in 11 minutes. They took Bernard to the station, took Sadie's note to the police. Forensic interviewers spoke with Sadie. Nobody will believe you. Bernard was arrested and charged. He confessed during interrogation when confronted with the specifics Sadie provided. His lawyer tried to argue the confession was coerced. The judge disagreed. Sadie started talking again the day after the arrest. Not to everyone, not all at once, but she said one sentence to me that morning that I'll carry forever. You believed me, Mom. She's in speech therapy now, rebuilding a voice she buried for 4 years to protect herself from a man everyone trusted. And last week she read a poem out loud in class for the first time, and her teacher sent me a video that I've watched 47 times.
Ruin our friendship.
Uncanny.
To be honest, I like you.
What? Why? I asked from the floor.
Yeah.
She grabbed
Ang tanong ko
her
naman,
makeup bag and threw a tube of lipstick at me. Just put this on. I'll explain after. I'd never put on lipstick before and my hands were shaking. Carla helped me apply it just as we heard footsteps on the stairs. I barely had time to stand up before her dad burst through the door. He was this huge guy with military tattoos and muscles that looked like they could crush my skull. His face went red when he saw me. You brought a boy into your room? He roared. Carla whispered something in his ear that I couldn't hear. His expression changed from angry to confused. Gay. He turned to look